Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photos into anime art using Canva. So here, if you want to see yourself or maybe your photos as an anime character or situations, you don't need complex AI tools. Here I'm going to show you how you can transform any image into stunning anime art using nothing but Canva. So just open your Canva and prepare your photos. Then you can just find this apps called Anime-Fi. It's currently on trending. You can also search for it. Here, transform your photos into stunning anime art. So click on open. Then here you can just choose your file. So I'm going to delete this first. Let's see, I'm going to just choose a file from here. Let's say this photos right here. Click on open, and now here you can choose the style, whether it's lively, classic, vibrant, or soft. I'm going to just go with the lively one in here, and you can also choose to preserve the original composition or not. And after that you can click on Anime-Fi image. So you can just wait until the image turn into anime art. So it will become like this. You can start over or generate again if you don't like with the result, but if you're already satisfied, you can just click on add to design, and this is your anime art photo. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.